The Mirador Hotel by Dunas. As you can see at the moment, a lot of people are getting picked up to be taken home. Dublin flight, not Dublin flight, Belfast flight going home today. So this is the main reception area, which you have the dining room to your right, which I'll show you around a bit later. It does get very loud in there, so it might not be doing too much talking, but we'll show you the actual dining room later. So they always have the times of the services outside, and Italian night tonight, and then Friday night we have Carnival night, which apparently is a big carnival weekend this weekend down in Perth and Angus as well. There's going to be a lot of people there. So in the main reception area we have some tables and chairs, we can sit out. That's a reception desk. And they also have a good information board where you can find out what's going on in the hotel at any time, which I'm just giving you a quick look at. So anything from the entertainment for the day, any kind of information about the resort, main information about Gran Canaria, so it's just basically to have information about the airport, transport, animation, what's going on today. So we have yoga going on and aqua gym, so in the pool. And then obviously later on tonight, sangria parties afternoon as well. Oops. There we go. Just on that. As you can see, the mini club casino. Sometimes they have bingo night. Mini disco. It's not really a mini disco for the kids at the moment. There's only about half a dozen kids here at the moment. So they have face painting and stuff. So we will carry on through luggage. Where you can leave your luggage as you're leaving. They also have a little mini market here now. I don't quite know what they're doing down at the information desk. So just a little mini market, you can get drinks and bits and pieces there. All the information from the different companies. Games room, we always seem to have a games room. I seem to like the games rooms over here. Obviously during the day, not too busy. I didn't realise what he was doing, he's literally counting all the money from the games room, I think. So there's a pool tables out here. And then we are on our way out to the pool area. Some nice comfy chairs that you can sit in. They do have an ATM machine in the reception area as well, as you can see. But we were told on the bus on the way in, you probably get a better rate if you actually go to the banks to do that. So we are actually in that main block. In the little round block, but we're around just the other sides. We get sun all day long. Not all day long, all morning long. So there's the pool here and the pool a bit further up. And there is also a kiddies pool, which is around the back, which we haven't managed to see because we have no reason to see it, but I will take a walk around there. Always lifeguards by the pool. Usually 2, to make sure there's one here all the time. And there is a lot of sunbeds out, as you can see. There's some up there, some around the pool, some around the reception area. There is a pool bar up the other end of the pool. There is a lot of ramps here, so if you have push chairs or wheelchairs, it's all very good access. very easy to get around for those people. A few wheelchairs here today, and a few buggies as well, as you can see. Usually have music playing on during the day by the pool, as well as having other stuff going on. As you can see, the pool is quite big. That's obviously the aqua aerobics going on at the moment. Some people not quite wanting to go in. And then you have the pool bar, which sells which you can get lunch during the day, snacks during the day, and drinks in the evening with tables and chairs outside. So that's it for now. I will come back to you later. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Don't edit any of my channels, so what you see is what is actually going on. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to leave some comments on the bottom if you've been to the hotel before, what you thought of the hotel, and hopefully this has come in useful for anybody who wants to visit the area. So I will speak to you soon. Take care. Just a quick message regarding the Mirador Hotel. They do have a sports bar that is on their premises called Love and Hate Pizza Sports Bar. They do show quite a lot of the football matches, as you can see. This is not any part of your deal here, so it has nothing to do with the package of the hotel. It's not included at all. So if you want to see any of the matches, obviously you'd have to buy drinks. It's not included in the package.